How to fix lag in Blox Fruits on mobile. Open up Roblox, and after you open up Roblox, click on the line in the top left and you want to go into settings. Here we are going to go into device preferences, scroll down, and here you will disable haptics and also enable reduce motion. Once you do this, then you will go back. Now we can open up Blox Fruits. So open up the game itself. Once you open up the game, then here we want to click on the Roblox logo in the top left, go into settings, scroll down until you see display and graphics, and you want to go and change graphics mode to manual and reduce the graphics here to 1 or 2. Afterwards, Blox Fruit should no longer lag. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.